So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a US dollar Visa card on the RBC Mobile application. So basically, if you're looking for a US credit card, I'll show you guys how to do that through RBC. So once you're on RBC, go to the top or go to the middle here, press on Open an Account under Accounts Overview, or go to the bottom right, press on More, then press on Open an Account. Once you're here, press on Credit Cards. And once you're on credit cards right here, what I want you to do is, just for simplicity's sake, I want you to slide this top bar all the way to the right and press on all cards. Now, what you're looking for is a US dollar Visa card. So if you keep scrolling through all the options here, I do believe the card is gold, if I'm not mistaken, so it should pop out at you. So keep scrolling down, and once you're here, right here, the RBC US dollar Visa Gold Card. So make purchases in US funds and avoid currency fluctuations. So if that looks good, you want to press on View Card right here. You can view the annual fee, the interest rates, etc., as well as what comes with the cards in regards to highlights. There's also the rewards and benefits as well. And keep in mind, this is a USD credit card. So I don't believe there's other US options that are currently being presented through RBC. So if you keep scrolling down, you can actually see all the credit cards that are being offered through this. But I think, yeah, the RBC US dollar Visa Gold Card is the only one that's being offered. So if you're Canadian that frequently goes to the United States and you want to avoid fluctuations with the currency as well as currency exchange fees, I think this credit card could be the one for you. And if all looks good, as I mentioned before, and you want to apply, press on Apply Now, and then go through the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to sign up for a US dollar Visa card on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.